If you experience knee pain while squatting or even climbing stairs, in this video I will give you all the information you need to bulletproof your knees and make them actually invincible to further injuries. By the way, I hope it's okay for you if I record this shit at night, because it's 4 in the morning right now and it's so fucking dark. I already miss the summer when you could just get up at 3:30 and you could see everything. Yeah, but that's life. That's how it works. I'm 6'2", 95 kg. For pounds it is like almost 220. And I need to have fucking strong joints to be able to do what I do without pain. So you can trust me that I know how to strengthen the joints in the body. Also, I grew really quickly in my puberty, like I think 10 centimeters in a few months. And it really was much for my joints to handle. They didn't have time to get strong enough. And thus, I pretty much have knee problems ever since I stopped growing. I've been to many orthopedists and physical therapists, and I've done many weird therapies. I've even injected pure collagen into my patellar tendon, but it was bullshit. It didn't help at all. What I'm actually very shocked is that all these professional orthopedists and physical therapists didn't have an idea that all it takes to repair my knees was simple conditioning routine. Or they just wanted my money. I guess that's a possibility too. When it comes to fixing your knees, you basically need two things. So when it comes to fixing your knees, there are two things you're gonna be doing. The first one is strength training, and the second one is stretching. These two are very essential. You can't do one without the other and expect good results. So these are the exercises you're gonna be doing. The objective with these exercises is to strengthen the muscles around the knee and also pump the blood that's full of nutrients into your tendons. Because your tendons normally, day to day, they don't really have that much blood flow, but if you do these exercises, you basically pump the blood into these tendons and make them stronger. So you should really strive for that burning sensation while doing these exercises, but be very careful not to feel any discomfort or pain in your knees. If you feel any, just switch up the progression, do an easier version, or just cut the volume, because you really can't be feeling any discomfort, literally any. Some people on the internet says that to treat patellar tendonitis, which is the pain in the knee, you can go to a little bit of pain, like 5 out of 10, but this is complete bullshit. I've tried it, you can't feel any pain. And the full range of motion is very important, especially with split squats, because then you're basically telling your legs that you're using all the range of motion. You're using the knees fully, and your body, in response to that, produces more of these joint lubricant fluids, which basically help to preserve your joints and help them work smoother and longer and stronger. So you should do these exercises like 2 to 4 times per week, and you should already see a noticeable difference, like in a week or 2 weeks. When I tried that routine, after 2 weeks my knees were completely solved. and after 1 week I already felt a big difference. And if you come to the point when you are satisfied with your knee strength, you can basically cut the volume in 6, because to maintain a strength you need 1/6 of the volume you need to build it. So you can basically just do 1 workout per week and do half the volume I showed you before, and that will already be enough to maintain it. And the second option is you can go even further. You can build extra strong knees, the knees that will survive any beating. You can build them with these exercises. You will just need to add some additional weight and use some of your creativity, but you can go really far with these exercises. And the stretching part I will show you in my house, because here it is pretty fucking cold, and when it's cold it's not really good to stretch, you know. So there are 4 essential stretches that you need to be doing, and you basically can make like a nice sequence out of them. I will show you right now. First one, quad stretch. So you do just something like that, and you open up your hips and stretch that quad. Then you go to hamstring stretch. You straighten your leg and hold like that. Then glute stretch, something like that, the pigeon pose in yoga. And the last one is just a calf stretch. Something like that. You put weight on that leg. And perform these stretches 30 seconds each leg, at least 4 times per week. I know stretching can be boring, but you know, it's the cost of fixing your knees, so it is really worth it. Actually, there are a few tricks that can make stretching really enjoyable, so let me know in the comments if you want me to cover that topic. And that's basically it. I hope you will be able to bulletproof your knees. Good luck.